Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand dishwasher and you're getting an E05 error. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So the E05 error is the electronic temperature control unit is throwing up a fault. So unfortunately there's not a ton of things you can do to try to fix this, but I'm going to talk about one thing that might fix it. But because basically it means that either your electronic temperature control unit has an error, there's a malfunction there, which probably means it probably needs to be replaced, or it could be some kind of wiring issue. So you could check and see if there are any wires that are loose or frayed or anything like that, and fix it. But another thing you can do whenever you get these weird electronic errors is just try a hard restart on the machine. So that means turning it off and unplugging it from the wall, or turning it off at the circuit breaker, completely disconnect it from power for 30 seconds to a minute, and then plug it back in. And sometimes just doing like a hard restart on a computer, it just fixes the problems. I would try to do that, and if none of that works, this is the kind of error where you're probably going to need to call someone to come help you fix it. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.